Unahin na kita eh. Katatlo ka na. Sige na, mama. Ako siguro po kasi I became a mother at a very young age, no? So my protective instincts, I would say, super high. Lalong-lalo na at the time when I felt very fragile, no? And very, very vulnerable. Kasi pag bata ka pa and you have to protect another child, no? As I was growing older, so was she. But to see Callie flourish into the person that she is now, at ngayon nananahan siya sa ibang bansa, ang sarap isipin na ang pagiging protective pala bilang magulang ay hindi kinakailangan ng malapit na presensya sa araw-araw. And when I came into doing this film, I had that in mind. Imagine po, tatlo yung anak ko, tama po si Iza. Isa pong 21 years old, piloto na po siya sa Australia ngayon, babae po. So, thank you very much. Really a big achievement for our family because alam naman ng Diyos, grabe talaga ang pagtatrabaho namin ng asawa ko para mapadala siya doon. Si Papa B, wala dito sa labas. Yung pangalawa po is Alonzo, a boy who is 9 years old, also very much like me, no? And now Ilio, who is 2. I think yung coming into this, yung protective instincts ng isang ina, isang tagapangalaga ng pamilya, ay naturalesang lumalabas, lalong-lalo na pag ikaw ay nagmamahal. Kasi kagaya nga ng sinabi ng anak kong si Marco kanina, na lahat naman tayo dito ay may pinoprotektahan. Pero ang pagpaprotekta at pagmamahal ng isang bagay, tao, kapaligiran, ay nasa sa atin din. We choose who we want to protect. We choose who we want to love. We choose who we want to become as people, as caretakers of this land. And I feel like when you become a mother, you understand that. But I'll also say na the movie is not just about being a mother. Hindi lahat po kasi ng babae or ng tao ay nagiging ina. Pero lahat tayo ay nagmamahal at nagpoprotekta. It will not need for you to take giving birth to actual children to have protective love over those that you love. I always say na grabe yung protective instincts ko sa mga bata. Nung pinapanood ko si Lydia at si Audrey, naintindihan ko sila pareho. Wala akong pinanigan, at ako na ito, akong tutuusin, ako si Lydia dahil grabe paano, may bias na ako. Pero naintindihan ko si Audrey eh. Kahit ako din siguro, kung nalaman kong sinaktan yung anak ko, ibabalik ko yung van na yon. Babalik ako. And I think that's the entire beauty of this film, is that when you think about it, sa pagmamahal at sa pagprotekta ng mga tao at kapaligiran na minamahal natin, asaan ang mali at tama? Doon ka mapapaisip, kung pinoprotektahan mo yung tao, yung kapaligiran na to, pinaglalaban mo ito, at yun ang nasa puso mo, does that make you wrong when you try to protect the people and the country that you love? So this time, the goal of the film was not for you to take sides at malaman kung sino ang tama at mali, sino ang mas nagmamahal at sino ang mas nagpoprotekta. The goal of the film is pumukaw po sa mga puso ninyo at mapatanong kayo, sino ang gusto kong protektahan? Kapag pinangalagaan ko ba yung kapaligiran ko, ibig sabihin din ba nun ay pinoprotektahan ko ang mga taong nananahan dito? Ang pagmamahal ko ba sa kapaligiran ko ay katumbas ng pagmamahal ko sa mga taong nananahan dito? That is the goal of the film. To not know who's right or wrong, to not take sides, to not bicker among each other, but to have one true love for the place that we are on. And I think that's the beauty of the last scene when we saw, of course, Mayang, and sana po hindi natin to spoiler, but that was the beauty of the film. Doon ako pinaka, oh my God. When Mayang, yung last direct, yung kamay niya, pinatong niya doon sa both mga bata kasi pareho ng lahat ulila, doon ko naisip, kahit pala mawala ako sa buhay na ito, kung aalagaan ko yung kapaligiran ko, somebody will always look after my children. So, if I want that to happen, kailangan ngayon pa lang gawin ko na yung duty ko to take care of the very land that will make sure my children will be okay. That for me.
Beautiful. Iza.
Thank you. Sa
Sorry, just to make sure I get the question right. Could you please
Yes, gano'n ka ka-protective as a mother? Yung protective instinct mo in real life?
Madami kasing layers ang pagiging nanay. Tulad ng nasabi ni Dimples. Yes, I am a very new mom to Dea, who turned 2 recently. However, I think I've been mothering people in my life in different ways. I guess even my father, when he was still alive, in some ways I was mothering him, and kasi when I think of mother, I think of somebody, tulad ng sinabi ni Dimples, not all women, not all mothers are just those who bore a child into the world. Some have adopted, some have nurtured or nourished as teachers, or as, you nurture and nourish in different ways. A plant, an animal, her snake, or any living being, humans, of course. Parang in that regard, I think I have been mothering. I have been that kind of energy in our home. My kuya is here. I just want my brother. I don't know if they're still here. Ben is here. I am his mother too. Joke. Pero alam mo yun, talagang, and you will do everything that you can in that moment. Kasi I think we're all just doing our best with what we have, with what we're given in that exact same moment. Katulad ng sinabi ulit ni Dimples, anong tama, anong mali. In that very moment, consumed by her anger, Audrey was making what she thought was the best decision for her family. And eventually, she acknowledged it was such a bad plan. In that very moment, Lydia she just did everything to protect her family, to ensure na hindi sila papaalisin. Diba? So, I think we will do everything that we can for our loved ones. The regrets always come at the end. And for me, kaya ako gibang-giba. Kasi yung Audrey, yung journey ng character niya na galit na galit. And she was, alam mo yun, hindi niya nakikita that everything that she needed, she was so worried, how will I provide for my children? When in reality, nature will always provide. Nature will always take care of us. But in that moment, consumed by anxiety and anger, she didn't realize that her first role was to communicate and take care of her children. Nilamon siya nito. Kaya, at the end of that, diba, yung nakita mo yung moments, we have to savor these moments that we have with the people around us. Namnamin natin ito because life is unpredictable.